Hi, ladies.
Hello.
And gents.
How are you?
We are Sisters in Stitches. I'm Debbie.
I'm Cindy. And we're sisters in real life, too, for those of you who are joining us for the first time.
You can't really tell. Do you think we look alike? Can you tell we're sisters? Because I think we look absolutely opposite. I mean, I don't see a resemblance at all. But
No. But we have different personalities, so maybe that's what
Different
we
looks.
see. But people say that we can tell we're sisters. So this is my dia&co box. I don't know what number it is. I don't know. It doesn't even say.
It doesn't
But
say.
after a year and a half, I finally got a new stylist, and I think she kind of nailed it on her first try. So let's get into it real quick. Now, I did not try this dress on for you. This is by Mary Sky, and it's a little knit dress.
And it retails for $49.
Now, it says 1X, but I mean, look at this. I didn't even want to show you what I look like in this. Trust me. But Debbie really likes it, and she's got a wedding to go to.
In California where it's still warm, so.
So it's really cute, though. It's got a little bit of a crisscross. It's a heavier knit, and it's like, you won't see this on me, but I think Debbie's gonna keep it. So let's move on to the stuff that I really like. I did like the dress, just
Yeah, and it retails for $49.
So
and I
not
will
a
take a
bad
picture
price.
of it on so that Cindy can post that so you can see it on.
now
I'm just not doing it right now.
Yeah, here is a sweater. It's gorgeous.
It's really pretty.
From
It's from
Rafaela.
Rafaela, and it's retails for $75. So you better like that sweater.
Yeah, and it's got kind of
It's
like
soft.
it is so soft. And what I really like about it, and you're probably looking at it right now, is I really like how it goes down to a V in the front, kind of off to the side. So
I think that'd be a really cute sweater to wear with like a gray turtleneck, gray leggings, and like gray boots.
or
It'd be
black
so
boots
cute.
or something.
Yeah,
And
so cute.
it's long and comfy, and I don't think it hugged me too.
It didn't. It looked good on you.
Yeah, and pink's my favorite color. So it is a pricey sweater, so I'm gonna have to look at the rest of the box and figure out, is this worth it if I keep everything else. So with Debbie taking the dress, I just need to consider the next 4 items, but I really do like them all. And I really like, this is a burgundy sweater from Ryan White, which is Dia's own brand.
And that was cute.
It's
That
a
is
burgundy
the
and it's
Christiana
so-
long sleeve mock neck keyhole sweater.
Yeah, look at the front. I really like this little metal thing here. It's so cute.
Yeah, and it was flattering on you. I like that the sleeves were gathered. Cindy's got very small shoulders.
Yeah.
Like I'm very girthy and I have a broad shoulder span. Cindy has more of a rounded down. Like you can tell she's got smaller shoulders. So that gave her some, without shoulder pads, made her shoulders look like they were a little more boxy,
Yeah,
which I thought
yeah.
looked really good on her.
So I really, and how much was this one done?
That one is $59.
And it's so soft, and I just love the color.
What is it made out of? It is really soft.
Yeah, let's see. It is made from, it's 79% rayon, 22% nylon.
Well, that's why the rayon.
Yeah, so I really
Well,
like this.
That too, you can wash in your own washer. That doesn't have to go to the cleaners, which is always a bonus.
Yeah. And then I just put this on with it. This is a long sleeve from Molly and Isadora, again, a Dia brand. And it's just a long
And it's
cable knit.
$59. I love this sweater because if you look when Cindy spins around, it's kind of got a skirted bottom.
Oh, it's more of an A-line kind of?
No, it's longer in the front, but when you turn around, it's not narrow. It like flares. It's got a piece in the back, like turn it toward the back. It's got this little, see this V-shaped, that really gives it there's like a V-shaped
okay.
panel in
Didn't
it.
know- Oh, yeah, now I see it.
And so when Cindy's wearing it, it kind of flares out like it's skirted kind of. It's really cute from the back.
And again, these are great fall colors. I mean, this new stylist, her name's Robin. Good job, Robin.
I've fallen in love with that army green. I've been buying stuff in army green. I don't know why. I'm really not a green person, but this year I'm drawn to the green.
Yeah. And then these are from Morgan and Walker. They're a pair of just your standard
Yeah, boot cut.
boot cut. And I really don't need any jeans. I am trying to build up a little bit with boot cut because I have so many straight
leg and legging type jeans. That's what I was telling
distressing. I'm kind of done with the distressing and the straight leg. I like them and I will keep them and wear them, but I'm not going to add to my collection. So I just need a couple more pair of boot cut and I'm pretty set for jeans. And I like the way these feel. These are so soft. I've had Morgan and Walker jeans before. They're so soft and so stretchy. There's a lot of stretch in these.
Well, you might be keeping this box then, because the whole box all together, if she were to keep all 5 pieces, is $291. Then she gets her 25% off, which is $72.75, which brings the box down to $218.25. And I'm purchasing the dress, which brings it even down that much more. So,
all right, I think this is a 5 for 5, 4 for 4, 1 for 1. So,
which I get 25% off that dress too,
Yeah.
just because I'm purchasing it through her box. So that dress isn't bad at
What do you guys think of the sweaters? I know they're a little bit pricey, but when you add in the discount, it is a pricier sweater, and I will always dry clean it. We have a dry cleaner.
You know what though? Those are not. Those are classic sweaters though. Those won't go out year to year.
That's true.
You can wear those. They're not trendy. They're just classic.
Yeah, and I do have a dry cleaners here called CD1 price cleaners, and everything is $3. So like that pink sweater, I wouldn't want to wash it to get it all out of shape.
No, that one I wouldn't.
So, and paying $75, well, less than $25, I would just dry clean it.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
Yeah, I think this is a good box. So, Robin, good job.
Yeah, it's and it all looked good on you too. I didn't see one piece that I thought looked terrible on you, or
well, if you would have saw the dress on me, trust me,
well,
you
I didn't
been
see
like,
the dress
cover
on
my
her,
eyes. Ah!
That might even be a little tight on me if she couldn't even get it over her. But
no, I could. I just
Cindy's
didn't
got
wanna
much
show
bigger
it.
girls than I have, so I can wear some things that she can't because I don't have the girls she has. But
you would have saw my hoo-ha-ha in that dress. It was a little short on me because I'm wider than Debbie.
But I was thinking I'd wear that dress with maybe like a darker tight or a really heavy
I have a
nylon.
red jean jacket. I told her to wear that. Would you guys wear a red jean jacket to a wedding with that dress?
Yeah, let me know.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd wear a red jean jacket to a wedding. And it's gonna be a kind of a higher end wedding, so I'm thinking not.
Yeah.
But I do have I have some black sweaters I could wear with it too.
All right. Well,
anyway,
hey, we're almost at 2,500. We're at 2,497 ish.
By
I don't
next
know.
week we should be.
And maybe we'll be at 2,500 when I post this video early next week. So give us a go. And I don't know where. Oh, it's over here. Our subscribe button. Help us out.
Come on, throw us a bone, ladies. It's coming toward the holidays. Perk our spirits up. We're having some family issues that are pretty heavy duty right now, and we're trying to keep our spirits up, and we need your help. Give us some encouragement by hitting that subscribe button.
That's a good way to put it. All right, with that, we're off. You'll see us in another video really soon here. All right, bye, ladies.
Bye.